So hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Crazy TTP. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use your command prompt or the CMD in Windows 10 operating system. So in order to do so, we just need to open up our CMD. So by that, you just need to go to your search box and type CMD, then press enter. So after this command prompt it is open, the first thing that you can do is you can just type help, then press enter. Then it'll list all these commands that you can use. So but these are not all the commands, there are also others, so this is just a few of them. Okay, this is our first command that we can use. So the other command that we can use is, let's say we want to print hello world. Let me type hello world and see. You see it says hello is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. So this is not our command. So in order to print the hello world, we can say echo hello world, then press enter. You see now it says hello world. It didn't print, is not recognized as an internal or external command, it just printed hello world. So this is our second command. Then our third command, actually I'm gonna be showing you three commands in our third command, which is our variables. Okay, the most useful variables are this one. Let's say percentage random, if I can type today, it's percentage random percentage. Okay, let me echo this. You see it echoed these numbers, these random numbers. Let's go. Okay, if we use these up and down arrow keys, we are just moving around on our history. Okay, let me echo this random again. You see this is just our random numbers, and we can also echo our username. You see this echo username, it will print your username, which mine is Crazy TTP. And we can also say echo computer name. You see now it says desktop hyphen EOEGCQH, so it has echoed our computer name. So in your case this will be on your desktop name. So our fourth or our next command is cd. Let's say you want to change a directory. You see now we are in users, we are in C users Crazy TTP. If we can say cd space then desktop, then press enter, you see we are now on the desktop. So in order to check what's in our desktop, which is our next command, is we can say dir, then press enter. You see it will list all our directories and file names that are in our desktop. As you can see, we have a.py. So where is it? Okay, this is the one. bruteforce.py, this is the one. So this is our command, directory command. Then the other command is, let's say you want to change a color of your command prompt. You can say color, then A for this text over here. Then for the background we can say color A and C. You see it has changed two colors, our foreground and our background. Okay, let me say color and return it to its normal. Then our next command is cls. Before you press enter, you see we have all this information in our command prompt, and I cannot see now what am I doing or what is it that I want to do. So by using this cls command, it will clear everything and start afresh. So then our next coming command is title. Let's say title before. So this is our command prompt title. So to change it to our own title, we can use this command title space then our name. Let's say crazy TTP. You see, it has changed now from command prompt to crazy TTP, or let me say title hacker, then press enter. You see, it has changed to hacker. And the next coming command, it is pause. So let me say pause and press enter. So this one, it pauses. It wants us to press any key to continue. So if I press any key, it will continue. Then our last command for today, guys, is type. Let's say you wanna see what's inside this AAAA.py. So we can double click, open with our notepad, Sublime Text, or any text editor. So by using this command prompt, we can say type, then AAAA. Okay, I don't know how many A's are in here. So by using tab, it will autocomplete for us, then press enter. As you can see, guys, this is what's inside our AAAA.py. So actually, guys, this is our Python scripts which I've just written using Python. So yeah, this was the video, guys. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.